Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into today's video. Hope you enjoy it. We're going to be making some silicone molds here, just like this, and we're going to be molding some really cool extra parts and pieces for your Halo Mega Construct figures. Now this does not replace like the actual moving parts. You can't move the figures. Once you put them in place, they're in place, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoy. It's a really short video, but it's definitely an interesting one, so enjoy. Alright everyone, thanks so much for tuning into the video, and I had better plans for this video. I was going to use super glue to put these guys together and make a whole bunch of them and paint them up for you guys so you can kind of see what I have planned for them, but I don't have any super glue. And I forgot to go to the store and buy some today, so I had to use hot glue to put them together, and he's going to fall right apart if I ever tried to paint him or anything, so I have to wait till tomorrow to do the super glue. But these new molds that I did are absolutely perfect for making actual figures that stand up. No, their parts do not move. No, you can't move their hand or move their head or anything like that. And these aren't a replacement for the real ones at all. The real ones are way better quality and way better looking. This is going to work perfectly for a lot of future mocks and dioramas and plans that I have for the YouTube channel. First, I tried to do the hands the first time and I had them like sticking up, and that just didn't work at all, so I had to recast the hands. So that's why this video is coming out so late. It's because I actually had to redo all of the arms and the hands because this just didn't work at all. But I'm super happy with the results. I think I'm going to get pretty decent looking figures that I can put on a base plate and have in little squadrons, and it's going to be really cool to be able to make my own custom armies for mocks and dioramas with this. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section down below what I should make with all of these custom things. We have ODSTs, we have Halo Marines, Halo 2 Marines, Halo 3 Marines, we have a new Banished Brute, the new one that comes with the Master Chief, and I think that's about it. Only like 5 figures, but it's pretty cheap to make these little mold casts when you have all the silicone done and you actually make each one. I think it's like 20 to 40 cents per figure pretty much I'm gonna make, so I can make a ton of figures for really cheap, way cheaper than going on eBay and buying them for like anywhere from like $5 to $7 each. So this is gonna save me a bunch of money, and I'm gonna be able to make a lot of really cool mocks with it. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. Sorry the video is kind of short, and what I had planned for the video really didn't happen perfectly today, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.